I found the email tool that actually saves money instead of draining it. Let's be honest, we're all suffering from subscription fatigue. Another month, another bill for your email marketing platform. But what if I told you there's a way out? Email It offers something revolutionary in today's subscription-obsessed world. A lifetime deal, one payment, and you're done forever. Here's the breakdown. Email It has 3 simple pricing tiers on AppSumo right now. Tier 1 is just $39. That gets you 1 domain and 20,000 email credits monthly. Tier 2 is $79 for 2 domains and 50,000 monthly emails. And the unlimited tier, only $159 for unlimited domains and 100,000 monthly emails. All tiers include unlimited campaigns, audiences, and over 300 email templates. Think about it. Most email platforms charge $20, $50 every month for similar features. With Email It, you pay once and you're set for life. No more surprise price increases. No more, oops, I forgot to cancel that subscription. You get everything you need. SMTP and REST API integration, automated follow-ups, real-time analytics, white labeling options, all with a 60-day money-back guarantee. That's right, 2 full months to test it out risk-free. So click the link in the description below to grab this lifetime deal before it disappears. Your future self and your accountant will thank you. Don't forget to click that link in the description for your special lifetime deal discount. And if this video helped you save money on email marketing, smash that like button and subscribe for more money-saving tech deals. Email It, your all-in-one email solution that won't break the bank.